Great scientist Thomas Alva Edison was born on February 11, 1847 AD in place called Milan, Ohio of America. His father was Samuel Ogden Edison Jr. He was an exiled political activist. And his mother was Nancy Matthews Elliott. She was an school teacher by her profession. Among seven children of his parents, Thomas Alva Edison was the youngest one. Edison was very curious in his childhood. One day, he saw birds sitting on eggs. Then Edison asked his mother, "Why is bird sitting on eggs?" Then his mother replied, "Birds sat on eggs to hatch eggs into chicks." Then Edison also bought eggs and sat on eggs, but instead of hatching, eggs broke and his pants became dirty. And another example of his curiousness is that he saw bird eating insects and he thinks in himself, birds fly because it takes insect as their diet. So Edison collects insect from the garden and makes soup of it and convinced his friend to drink that soup. Actually, Edison want to know that whether his friend fly or not by drinking that soup. But the result was opposite as insect thinks. Instead of flying, his friend became very sick and Edison got scolded. In 1854 AD, Edison family moved to Port Huron, Michigan, where he attended a public school for a time span of 12 weeks. Edison didn't listen to his teacher as he was very busy in his own thought. He was hyperactive child. He asked many questions to his teacher and teacher felt difficulties and teacher thinks he is an idiot or insane child. One day One day, letter come to Edson house. Then his mother got the letter, and after reading that letter, tears come from Edson's mother eyes. Then Edson asks his mother, "What is written in that letter?" Then his mother replied, "My child, you are so genius and extraordinary student that school is not of your level. So I will teach you from today in my home." But in the letter it was written, "Your child is mentally weak, so don't send him to school as he is prone to distraction and he will be not able to read and write." Edson's mother gave him books of Charles Dickens, Edward Gibbon, William Shakespeare, and so many other books. Then Edison get addicted to study. He has huge appetite for knowledge and he started learning chemistry very deeply. At very young age, Edison made a chemistry lab in his home and started doing experiment. One day, his mother, in anger, threw all his chemistry lab equipment. So Thomas Alva Edison started selling newspaper, train tickets, candy, fruits and vegetable to train passenger because he need money to make a lab for himself. And with time, Thomas Alva Edison started publishing his own small newspaper called Grand Trunk Herald, and he sell this newspaper by himself. One day, while performing his chemistry experiment, train bogie causes fire and Edison gets slapped by train staff and Edison started hearing very less. But instead of getting demotivated, Edison take it as an advantage that he didn't have to hear negative comment from the people around him so he can do his work properly. In 1862 AD, Thomas Alva Edison saves 3-year child from being crushed by train and the child was a station master's son. Child's father, being impressed by Edison, repaired him by training Thomas Alva Edison as a telegraph operator. Within 5 months of time, he started operating telegraph very properly, and he worked as a telegrapher for 4 years, traveling 1,000 miles through the train. He invested whole of his earned money for buying electrical equipment for his laboratory. In 1868 AD, when Thomas Alva Edison was 21, he invented Edison Universal Stock Printer, and Gold and Stock Telegraph Company offered him $40,000 for this invention, and the journey of his success started from this invention. Then Thomas Alva Edison started inventing many of the equipment. In his lifetime, he made more than 1,000 inventions. Among all of his inventions, light bulb was one of his greatest invention, which makes whole world bright. He failed more than 10,000 times while making light bulb, but he made it. People ask him, "Didn't you get demotivated after failing 10,000 times?" Then Edison replied, "I did not fail 10,000 times. Actually, I discovered 10,000 ways by which light bulb is not made." And this was a mindset of a great scientist of all times. Talking about Edison marriage life. Edison married to his own assistant Mary Stilwell Edison, who was his first wife, and the couple had 3 children. After death of his first wife, Edison married to a rich girl, Mina Miller Edison. Again, continuing Edison's further journey of life. At the end of the century, he soon transformed himself from being an inventor to an industrialist and a business manager. Then he started developing a suitable battery that could power an electric car. Some of the famous inventions of Thomas Alva Edison are electrographic vote recorder, pneumatic stencil pen, magnetic ore separator, the electric power motor, the concrete house, phonograph, carbon microphone, and so on. In his leisure time, when Thomas Alva Edison was watching his remembrance, then he got the letter which his mother had got from the teacher. By reading the content of the letter, tears dropped from Edison's eyes. Then in his diary, he wrote, "How a great mother makes mentally weak child to a greatest scientist of all times." He was made head of the Naval Consulting Board during World War I. A profound advocate of non-violence, he indulged in projects that basically make defensive weapons such as submarine detectors and gun location techniques. His last patent was an apparatus for holding the electroplating process. On October 18, 1938 AD, Thomas Alva Edison passed away from this world at the age of 84, suffering from. In honor of Thomas Alva Edison's death, whole America light was turned off for one day. Thanks for watching. Again,